Oh, hey, price. This is the last one. This at the New Kings of Southeast Asia. Right. This is the grand finals for MMA 2023. The final battle between the world. Both teams of Cheddar regions collide. Epic conversations.
Kanya ikuan lang. I-edit lang.
Wala na mukha. Kasi ano, hindi yan original. Pag ano, iba na mukha.
Ang sounds ba, i-mute. Namit kay nga among kuan guys, salad guys. Ang among videographer guys. Ni-resign kay ang bata mo tutoy na kanina lang sad kami nila sa kaputol.
The best teams in the world right now. Onyx mula sa Indonesia, Blacklist International naman mula sa Pilipinas. Ilang beses nang nagkita ang magbubuos muli.
Dagdagan ng ano,
milk. Video na napanood natin.
Kasi medyo maasim pa.
Yung pagpasok ng mga players umi.
Layawan ko anang condensed dal.
Alam namin.
Layaw ba?
Lasaw?
Oo, lasaw.
Hindi excitement yun.
Kaysa Dorin, lami, steaky.
Oo, lasay. Itong dalawang kupunan na to dahil andun nga naman si Kyrie sa kabila. Diba, iba yung lakad, boss eh. Iba yung lakad, iba yung dating. At alam mo, lahat ng pagkatalo na naranasan ni Kyrie sa kamay ng B-Wise ay buhat niya ngayon sa laban na to. Tignan natin ang ating smart power moves or ating key to
sarap
victory
na guys. Ibutangan ni na bukuan guys. Ang gisago lang ihang cheese.
Meron din flex stand sa NCW seniority
and
over
cheese. Gisago.
Rooting nga pa ng dalawa. And of course, meron tayong hashtag See the World. See the World. Yun lang. From the Blackness fans,
Sige, sige.
you yell, break the code. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, pwede ka lang tayo.
Alright, let's see how boys are doing as well. When I say go, you know what to say, alright? Go!
Pero kung kayo sa isang may wait ako
That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. Oh my Jesus.
Tingnan ko. Sabay size na, diba? Cheese na mas toppings. Hindi mo na dadang pati. Foil na sa something na papel. Nawalin na. Ay, wala na kasi naman.
Oh my Jesus. You know what, your boy? What's the reason why Blacklist International has the word international in the name? It's because this is our 5th international grand finals already.
Silog mix. Silog niya sa sunod. Hindi pa yan. Balas gano'n na siya. Balas diba? Always. Dami pa always. Parang ano yung lasa? Sarap yan. Dapat hindi pa ulit. Sila ito din.
Okay, I know what's the space. Because we all know what the storyline is. I have here the script. I have here the script. Okay, this is the script. And please everyone, read the script down. Okay, this is the script.
Ang cute naman naman.
Let me just read what it is. Okay, you know what? I want to say but who's the chance? I need to find out.
Guys, mo na ni among finished product sa among maha. Among maha, mauna ni siya ang finished product sa maha. Oh, di ba? Yummy. Mahalina na guys. Ang salad sa ay gipanood na ng muskap guys.